Welcome back to Empower Yourself. Today we will learn about clean room and what a clean room is. Clean room. A clean room is a controlled environment that filters pollutants like dust, airborne microbes, and aerosol particles to provide the cleanest area possible. Most controlled environments protects the production of products like electronic devices, pharmaceuticals, and medical equipment. So if you can see here that it is a particular area where the environment, that means the air and as well as the pollutants, everything is being controlled, and which helps in the decrease of the pollutants like dust, airborne microbes, and aerosol particles, and providing us with the cleanest possible area. So the clean rooms are mainly used in, or they are necessary for the production of the products like electronic devices, pharmaceutical, and medical equipments. Clean rooms are classified into different classes depending on the number of particles allowed in the air per cubic meter. They also control variables like temperature, airflow, and humidity. So if you can see, the clean rooms are classified into different classes based on the number of particles to be present in that particular design or particular area. So this clean rooms also controls the other variables like temperature, airflow, and humidity. So for the clean room, we are going to control the air as well as the particles, like dust and airborne microbes as well. So clean room is the cleanest area where we can produce the materials which shouldn't be contaminated and which avoids the contamination of the products as well. Thanks for watching and learning.